All right, so this is what we're in for. These two units, this one here, there's the drip pan. Look how the size of it, 8 by 8. And that unit there, up above, we have to take it down. I'm in the church. One of them is bad. This one is the same age. So we might as well take both of them out. They're 20 years old, R22. We're going to convert them. We've already evacuated all the gas and got the 2 units downstairs. But whoever built this thing did not take into account these were not going to last forever. So I'm doing this. I'm putting it's fucking hot up here. Luckily, I like the heat. We're going to cut this. I'm going to cut this tomorrow morning. And the guys are going to come back and lower this humongous thing. It's 87 inches by 57 inches. And it weighs about 800 pounds. 2 of them, times 2. So here's a size of it. Here's a drip pan for the one behind, or the one in front of me.
Doing okay, George?
I'm good.
Good.
Yep, I just finished this cutting, so I am. All right, this is what I just finished doing. It's about 300 degrees up in the attic. So I opened that hole. This air handler has to come down, tilted sideways. It's 87 inches wide. And tilt it sideways. Put it down here. And if that doesn't seem hard enough, got another one over here. I had cut here, but there's water lines below this and above the ceiling tiles. Over there, there's not. So we're taking one down, and might as well take the other one down. Oh, fuck. It's a lot of work. Look how long it is. It's about 800 pounds, they say. Okay. So there's one unit coming down there. We have to turn it sideways. It's only 28 inches across, so it'll fit right here. And then the other one is coming there. There's the unit up there. That one right there. We cannot mess with these. These are sprinklers. All right. That's it.
No. No. What do y'all think? Lay it over?
The only thing is we have nothing to stand on over here. What if we slide it over and we can put some of these braces back?
But then it's going to be standing up well. We were going to lay it down and put that jack back under it. That's great. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you put a couple of these joints back, you'll have something to stand on.
Oh, tenemos que ir a la tienda.
Hey,
got more?
I got a bigger one on the dolly.
I don't know what you want to do.
That way you can get off of that beam.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Up a little bit.
Yeah, you're good.
That's good. Come down.
Yeah. No. We're just gonna roll it over right where it's sitting on it. You come down where it's sitting on the board, yeah, but don't come all the way down. Alright.
Yeah, I can come up, but I'm not on the yellow. I'm on the piece of Unistrut. It's only gonna go a couple inches.
So, hey, look, go. I can go up with the boom jack, right? Go up.
You want me to come up, right?
Yeah. On the Unistrut over there.
Let me keep going.
Yeah, come on.
What a tight cut that was. Look at it, how much we got, 1 inch, because look, it's already hitting there. So what a perfect cut. Who gets credit for that, me or you?
Where's the screw or the nuts?
Right there, good cut.
They're right there on top of that return panel. The bolts, nuts up there on top of the return.
Those are the 3 new 2x8s. So I'll put these in shortly right now, and then we'll close this up. They're starting to work on that side already. Ok, César, vamos This is a new decking that's going up. We already put all the 2x8s back in. Now we're setting the new one in place. Let me get you a visual of the top part. School's going on right now. We're not supposed to be in here, but they cut us a break. Okay. There's a new piece. You guys can be carpenters one day. And we have to do this over here also. There's a other one over here, same thing. Well, here's the new units. They've already been charged, and decking's back in. Cleaned everything up. And if you hear the hum in the background, yeah, cold air. Wow. We ended up doing 12 feet wide. This section, that 8-foot piece, all the way over here. Nice and clean now. Drip pan, look at the size of this drip pan. Hopefully it'll last another 20-25 years. Here's the other one. I'm picking up all the trash now. New squares. Oh, man. All right. Getting ready for our sheetrock. 5/8. We're all set. 17, what was the other? 17 and 50, 53 and a quarter, was it? Okay. Okay, so there's the final piece. We're getting the church ready for tomorrow.